Router troubleshooting for beginners. Step 1. Check power supply. Ensure the router is plugged in and the power light is on. A loose connection could cause issues. Step 2. Restart the router. Turn it off, wait 30 seconds, and turn it back on. This clears temporary glitches. Step 3. Check internet light. Verify the router's internet light is on or green. If not, it might be an ISP issue. Step 4. Verify cables. Ensure all cables, power, Ethernet, etc., are securely connected. Loose cables can disrupt the connection. Step 5. Test Wi-Fi signal. Move closer to the router to rule out signal strength issues. Obstacles can weaken the connection. Step 6. Reconnect devices. Forget and reconnect your devices to the Wi-Fi network. This resolves connectivity bugs. Step 7. Update router firmware. Log into the router settings to check for firmware updates. Outdated firmware can cause problems. Step 8. Check for overheating. Ensure the router has proper ventilation. Overheating can affect performance. Step 9. Factory reset. Last resort, use a pin to press the reset button for 10 to 30 seconds. This restores default settings if all else fails.